Spinach and fresh cheese crepe. Eating spinach and queso fresco crepes for breakfast can offer many nutritional and health benefits. Some of the advantages include: protein source. Fresh cheese is a good source of protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing muscles and tissues. Vitamins and minerals. Spinach is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, and iron. Healthy fats. Fresh cheese is a good source of fat, including saturated fat and unsaturated fat, which are necessary for a healthy diet. Improved digestion. Spinach is rich in fiber, which can help improve digestion and maintain good intestinal health. Weight control. Spinach and fresh cheese crepes are filling foods, which can help control appetite and prevent cravings for unhealthy foods throughout the day. In short, having spinach and queso fresco crepes for breakfast can be a great way to start the day with balanced nutrition and provide essential protein, vitamins and minerals, healthy fats and fiber for the whole day. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.